Woodside Energy has awarded what is possibly the largest helicopter service contract ever written in Australia to CHC Helicopters for services at its Western Australian operations. The 5-year contract has a potential value of $500 million, and CHC, which recently announced that it would be moving its Australian headquarters to Perth to be closer to customers involved in Australia's major offshore oil and gas province, would invest about $150 million to provide the requisite aircraft, spare parts inventory and base infrastructure. The company recently displayed the newest model in the Puma family that would fulfil part of the contract at Perth's Langley Park.
It's one of 6 aircraft that we have and I'm bringing in to support the Woodside contract, which will be starting June 1st for us. There'll be 4 of these EC-225 aircraft, over $30 million apiece. They're very capable airline-type aircraft with modern technology on board and safety systems.
Mr. Burt said the company also intends to grow its Australian search and rescue and emergency services operations. The 19-seat aircraft would be joined by 2 12 to 15-seat Augusta Westland AW139 aircraft, which could be deployed to deal with emergency situations.
We, together with Woodside, have a responsibility of the people that work offshore. And in that responsibility is to get them back and forth safely, but also to transport them in the need of an emergency medical evacuation. And we have that capability as well as a search and rescue capability with these aircraft.
The company provides search and rescue operations for the Royal Australian Air Force and emergency medical service flights in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and Western Australia.
That relationship is one that's been built on trust, making sure that we're there to respond as we need to be when our folks are training in the aircraft around Australia.
The company employs more than 400 people at 20 bases around Australia and in East Timor who are on call to attend emergency situations, one of which unfolded as the company displayed the new aircraft.
The aircraft in Williamtown in New South Wales has embarked on a mission to rescue 2 persons off a yacht that is floundering off the New South Wales coast. The RAF are more than happy for us to go and do such tasks as required.
CHC is the world's largest helicopter service company, specialising in the transport of personnel to offshore oil platforms, and is also a world leader in the provision of civilian search and rescue operations. Wayne Cant for Energy Publications Online.